Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. I have had the craziest morning ever. I have been so stinking busy doing stuff for Grecia's party. I'm doing the most for her party. I have been like prepping her candy bags. I'll show you guys that whenever I get home. I've been doing like I've just been like boom 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 getting things ready for her birthday party. That is in, and I know like her birthday party is until December, and I wanted to tell you guys one more time because a lot of you guys have seen me like doing things on Snapchat, and if you guys aren't following me on Snapchat, you guys definitely should, because I'm a lot more active on there whenever I'm not uploading. So that you guys can keep up with what we're doing and stuff like that. I've been posting on Snapchat like little things that I do and stuff, and a lot of you are asking like, why are you doing stuff so early if her party isn't until December? The reason I'm doing everything is because I make a lot of her stuff, like my mom and I do everything like handmade for the most part, like her candy bags, her centerpieces, her outfit, that I haven't started on. And then what else are we doing? Her centerpieces are like took like a big chunk of time, and then her candy bags, my mom is taking care of the centerpieces, like the main part, and then where I'm gonna help her do like the stand or whatever, and then I took care of the candy bags. And that took me a while because you guys know that I got a Cricut machine, and I've been doing like each little like character's face with my machine, and then I like have to piece everything together and then put it on the bag. So it's taken like its toll, but I'm almost done with those. My sister and I are on our way to Laredo today. I have to go buy more paper at Hobby Lobby. I have to go get a couple groceries at Walmart, and I have to go exchange Grecia's costume because she's not going to be what I bought her last week or like 2 weeks ago. She was gonna be like a little flamingo, but I changed my mind and I decided that she's not going to be a flamingo. I'm not gonna tell you guys what she's gonna be exactly because I want it to be kind of like a surprise for Halloween. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog in Laredo. We are bringing an uncle of mine back home with us. It might be a little bit awkward like vlogging with him, but for sure I'll try to vlog like at Walmart buying our groceries and stuff. What do you want, mommy? What do you want?
What is it?
Huh? Chocolate? Chocolate. Say please, Nina. Just one more. Chocolate. Is it good? Silly. Say hi. So I suck at this. I didn't vlog today, like I said I was. Trash. Oh, I didn't throw that. Throw it in there. Ooh, 10 points. Hi, you want to say hi? I haven't seen you at all. Say hi, guys.
Ooh, yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Nothing's gonna happen to it, trust me.
Okay, if you say so.
I do
Show them.
say so.
Show them your meat.
My meat. Yeah, right. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Tell them, what are you doing?
Papa.
Oh, you're eating Papa.
Caca.
What are you doing?
Caca.
What? You're eating a cupcake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, tell them bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna start off by showing you guys my little Walmart haul because you guys know I always show you guys what I get at Walmart. I got some Go-Gurts. Hey, you wanna put stuff away while I show them? She has almond milk and Sunny Delight going in the fridge. We have some chicken Alfredo, or what is this called?
Alfredo sauce.
Alfredo sauce, so that we can make chicken Alfredo. And then we got some conchas to make like sopitas and stuff like that. More sopas. I got 4 things of tomato sauce, 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of ranch style beans, 1 can of sloppy joe sauce. I got 2 of these because Melinda from the Banda family told me that this stuff is really good. It's like a moisturizer for kids, for babies. But it's supposed to be really good for, ooh, and it smells good. It's supposed to be good like a mosquito repellent, and it's supposed to keep the mosquitoes away from babies. So I got 2 of them because she swears by it and she says it really does keep mosquitoes away. So if your kids are getting bit by mosquitoes, pick this up at Walmart. That's where I bought mine. And they were like $3 a piece. And then I got some spaghetti pasta. We got some shells and cheese, mac and cheese. And then I got some more soap to wash our clothes. Some blueberry muffins. Baby wipes for Grecia's booty. And then for movie night, got Starburst, Reese's Pieces, 4 popcorn, and some Junior Mints. Apples for Grecia, chicken breast, and that's it. Woo! Are you dancing? Dancing? Show him your shoes. Woo-hoo. You want to show him your shoes? No? Okay, bye. Oh. And then I got this body wash because it smells super good. I got some of these pull-ups because they have that little thing on the side to where you can take it off. And it's easy, especially now that it's cold outside, that I have, like, she's wearing boots and stuff. I don't have to take everything off. And then I got 2 shirts and a sweater because it's cold. So I just got this camouflage shirt and then this cheetah print, and my wallet's in here. And that's it. And then, look, I was going to show you guys her candy bags. This is the pieces of Abby Kadabi's face. This is Abby Kadabi. This is Cookie Monster, Elmo, Big Bird, and the Grouch. This was my very first Grouch, so that's why it looks like poo. But that's what they look like. Those are her candy bags. And I need to make 50. Well, I just need to finish Abby's faces, and then I need to do 4 Cookie Monsters, and I'll be done with her candy bags. And then I still need to do the other signs, which are these for her centerpieces. I had already showed you guys these. I still have to finish these, so I'll probably do those tomorrow, just so that I can edit tonight. And she's over here playing. My sister's being a doll and putting everything away. I'm gonna turn on the air because it's hot, right? Yesterday it was about 50 degrees, or it had gone down to like 40 something when we got our cold front, but today was like in the 70s, so it wasn't that cold today, but it was still pretty chilly. And so now I'm going to help my sister put all this stuff away.
Well,
and
she's already done.
She's halfway done. We need to clean that out. So it's the next day and I'm looking a little rough, but I'm going to be finishing up the things for her centerpieces, her signs. I'm gonna finish these up and then I'll show you guys how I put them together, since I was never able to show you guys how I actually did them. That's what's happening right now. I'm gonna show you guys how I stick everything together. Oh, I love you so much.
The pop-up.
You're eating a pop pop. She's wearing the same clothes as yesterday because we just got home and went to bed. So I'm peeling off the cardstock, and then from each page of cardstock I get one sign because I'm doing them double-sided. And then I have to do 8 of these pages because I need 8 more signs. And then you just stick on another piece of cardstock onto the mat. You line it up. And a lot of you guys have been asking if the Cricut is hard to use. And at first I was really like intimidated by it, I guess, because of the things that I've seen people do. But once you figure out what you want to use it for, it's not that hard. You just have to look up videos and see what it is that you want to do, and then you kind of just learn by watching other people using it, and it becomes pretty easy. And it's pretty fast too. So I just got 2 more signs, and that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this with all the yellow, and then I'm gonna do the greens. I have 7 pages of green, and I will be back in a second to show you guys how I put it together. All of my pieces here, these are the top parts, the round parts. This is the inside squares, and then these are obviously the sign parts, like this. So what you have to do first is glue this part inside the yellow one. It's upside down like this, and then put this one up here like that. So I'm gonna do that to all of them, and then I'm gonna put the letters on. Okay, so I've got all of my 12 signs. They're actually about 24 because I do front and back. So I have to stick them together so that they'll end up looking like this. And I'm going to, well, you guys are going to see it in like a second, but I'm going to do it in a little bit because I have to use a glue gun, and then I have to stick on all of the letters first. So I'll probably show you guys me sticking the letters a little bit later, which will be in a second for y'all. And then I use a popsicle stick. I'll show you guys in a second. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because I haven't done an outro, and I just showed you guys the band, or like the street sign part of the centerpiece. So that's pretty much how I did them. In the next vlog you guys will see the end result of the candy bags because I'm almost done with all of those. You want to say hi, mommy? Hi. Say hi, guys. Where are we? Huh? You're waiting for Nina?
Yeah.
That's pretty much everything I did. I'll show you guys everything else in the next video, so just stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
I just